Good morning. Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. Starting off nice this morning, as we do expect a nice few days ahead of us to continue. Otherwise, just a few clouds out there off the coast, but mostly clear out there this morning. If we take a look at the current surface analysis, we still have high pressure in control, keeping things nice and dry as we go throughout the next couple of days. We have a boundary to our north that is associated with another high pressure that's building in from the north. So it's going to set up a backdoor front type scenario where we'll see winds shift out of the northeast as we get into the afternoon today. Current conditions as of 8 a.m. this morning, we have those few clouds at 25,000 feet, again generally off the coast. Otherwise, winds out of the northwest at 7 knots. We have a temperature of 67 degrees and a relative humidity at 84%. If we take a look at the current visible satellite, we can see those high clouds streaming just off the coast. Otherwise, things mostly clear across the region at the moment with just a light wind to a light northwest wind at this time. Look at the short-term high-resolution model as we go throughout the day today. Expecting a mostly sunny day, and then we'll see some cumulus develop as we get into the afternoon, and we see that wind shift could become scattered at times. Otherwise, mostly sunny day as we go throughout our day. And as we go into the evening, things will be mostly clear, and then as we go into our Friday, another mostly sunny day for our Friday with just a few high clouds streaming through the area and maybe a few cumulus popping up as well. And then going into Friday evening, another mostly clear to partly cloudy evening, setting up for a partly cloudy day for our Saturday, but expecting dry weather and some nice seasonable conditions over the next few days. So if we look at the 24-hour weather risk chart, we are green across the board for weather risk for our day today. Expecting temperatures to slowly creep up to peaking at around 80 degrees as we get into the first part of the afternoon, and we'll see those winds shifting out of the northeast about 8 to 13 knots, peaking at a few gusts up to 17 knots, and that will help cool temperatures down as we go throughout the later part of the afternoon. And we will see things continue to cool as we go through the overnight hours and into Friday morning, expecting a low around 58 degrees with a light north wind across the area. Otherwise, just expecting a few cumulus clouds to start developing as we get into the afternoon. Could see some scattered clouds around 4,000 feet, and then we'll see those start to dissipate as we get into the overnight hours with just a few high clouds and low clouds to start our day on Friday. Tides are running slightly above normal, and if we look at the next couple days, Friday expecting a mostly sunny and seasonal day with a high around 78. Going into Friday evening, expecting a mostly clear to partly cloudy evening, pleasant conditions with a low around 60. And then Saturday, expecting a partly cloudy day with seasonal conditions once again with a high around 79, but green across the board for weather risk. So a nice couple days ahead of us with some pleasant weather. Well, that will wrap up the 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. to take a look at the extended forecast. Enjoy your morning.